Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are keeping yourself safe and sound during this quarantine time. So here I'm sharing a very healthy recipe of protein packed roti made of lentils and a chutney made of garlic and onion roasted in oil. Let's start cooking. For lentils, flatbread and roti, you need yellow lentils and orange lentils, Moong and Masoor ki Daal. Soak lentils for an hour and wash thoroughly and drain water. Dry spices, you need salt to taste. I used pink salt, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, carom seeds, half a teaspoon, which is Ajwain in Urdu, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder and half a teaspoon turmeric haldi. 1 sliced medium onion, 1 sliced green pepper, 1 cup chopped coriander. We need water to grind all the ingredients, so half to 1 cup water. Grind all the lentils. Add all the spices, dry spices in the mixture and grind well until everything mix well. It's time to add onion, chopped onion, green chili or green pepper, 1 jalapeno and cilantro, and grind everything. Mixture is ready to make flatbread. This is how the consistency should be. It's time to make flatbread. Grease the pan with olive oil. I'm using round ladle to pour the mixture into the heated pan. I use the bottom of the ladle to spread the mixture to the pan. I spread the mixture until it's become a round shape, just like a roti or flatbread shape. When color start to change, spread some olive oil on top of the roti. It's time to flip roti. This is how it should look, golden brown. Keep pressing from the top with the spatula to make sure that it's all well done from the bottom, from the uncooked side. Keep the flame low on low heat, and it's time to turn from the other side, and this is how it looks. First roti is ready to serve. Let's make garlic and onion chutney. So delicious. Here are the ingredients for the chutney. To make this chutney, heat the pan and add the oil and roast the white lentils until they turn brown. Once lentils are turned brown, add the cumin seeds and the stevia, which is optional. Once everything is light brown, add the onion and garlic and stir fry both ingredients until they get translucent. Now add the red whole dry chilies. Add the pink salt to taste. Stir fry everything until everything gets translucent, especially the onion and garlic. Then put everything into the blender. Blend everything with a little bit water until it gets really smooth paste. Add the whole lemon juice and blend until it turns into a really smooth paste. Don't forget to add cilantro. Cilantro adds a beautiful color and the taste to this chutney. Simply blend everything and chutney is ready. Here is a complete meal of the lentil roti and the chutney, the onion and the garlic chutney. I'm sure you will enjoy this delicious, unique, healthy recipe. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and share. I promise it's delicious.